ZTE launched two new Axon series phones in Mexico called ZTE Axon 60 and Axon 60 Lite, with live island feature for notifications, similar to Apple's dynamic island feature. Both of this device looks quite identical, but are different in terms of specifications, and among this two, the ZTE Axon 60 is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the ZTE Axon 60 smartphone. The ZTE Axon 60 features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with a hole punch cutout at the top center, that carries an 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a triple camera setup at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the ZTE Axon 60 comes powered by UniSoC T616 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 10 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 22.5 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.3 by 77.2 by 8.2 millimeters. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the Axon 60 smartphone. The ZTE Axon 60 has been priced in Mexico at 3,699 Mexican pesos, and it is available for purchase in the country in black, purple, and gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this ZTE Axon 60 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.